Hi, I'm Watson, and let me ask you a simple question. What is Bitcoin? That seems like a simple question, right? And if you search for it on the internet, you will get 1,350,000,000 results. So that's a lot of zero for a simple question. And this is the definition of Bitcoin on Wikipedia. Bitcoin is a decentralized currency that can be transferred on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network. Bitcoin transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded on a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. And as you can see, this definition contains terms that make no sense to most individuals. Also, one of the main reasons why it's not easy to define Bitcoin is that Bitcoin lives at the intersection of multiple technologies, such as cryptography, economics, computer science, finance, hardware engineering, and even politics. This course aims to help you become someone who understands blockchain and uses Bitcoin with confidence. The goal is not to become an expert in all the components of the Bitcoin system or to become a Bitcoin trader. So we are not going to learn how to trade Bitcoin in this course. You can also think of it like this. You can probably drive a car, or you know someone who can drive a car. Now ask yourself how much you or that person knows about the following technologies: automobile engineering, software engineering, safety engineering, vehicle electronic, machine learning. Yes, we need all of that and a little bit more to make a car. And just as we drive cars without being mechanical engineers, we can use Bitcoin without becoming cryptographic engineers or network engineers. You can think of this course as the Bitcoin driver license or the Bitcoin user license. At first, we will get a short introduction to the blockchain technology. Then we will learn the difference between a centralized and a decentralized network. We will then go to a crypto exchange and buy some Bitcoin. In this course, we are using real Bitcoins. And after acquiring that Bitcoin, we will learn how to secure access to those coins using a Bitcoin wallet. This can be a hardware wallet or a software wallet. We will also then learn about public key cryptography. And towards the end of this course, we will learn how to trace Bitcoin transactions using publicly available tools. I'm here to help you get started. Enroll now and start your blockchain learning journey with Bitcoin. See you in the course.